All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol TOPS, Top Ships Inc. Before I get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched it, and share this with your friends and community. Don't just keep this insight for yourself. Share it in your group chats, your investor chats, your different accounts that you are in different groups with other investors or just community in general, or any of your friends that invest with you or are interested in learning about investing and want to have someone guide them through certain cues. Share these videos so that they can receive this insight as well. So this was our resistance level, right? Last week on Friday, and the support level was broken through. After this obviously leveled out and it got spiked up by the bulls, it has now reached bearish territory again, right? So it lasted very small amount of time with the Bears not having control and the Bulls gaining control. The Bears took advantage of this exhaustion here and brought this to new lows again. So let's go ahead and zoom in on what may be important to pay close attention to tomorrow. Let's see. So our support level has changed slightly, right? And our resistance level. Now, this leveling out here is a slow, steep leveling out. So this isn't leveling out in a way that it's sideways. This is actually in a downward trend. Now, most times when it's in a downward trend like that and the bulls try to appear, it may even continue because the bears are in full control. Now, can it slightly change? Maybe. If the bulls want to take advantage of this slight leveling off, because this was steep and then here it kind of leveled off and then it kind of fell. It was a small steepness, but the closing price is where it became steep, not the bars here, not these bar charts. These candlesticks did not have such an impact, but the way it leveled off down here, then it became steep again. So the bulls are going to have to take advantage of this price if they want to bring this one back, or at least bring this one in a direction upwards. Well, let's go ahead and see what's going to be important. This closed out at 1056, and 1049 is the support level. If the bears break through 1049, they're just gaining more control. Now, I could say that, all right, the bears didn't completely destroy the chart. The bears aren't going to fully have control, which is right as well, because the bulls can appear anywhere below this support level, but I'm not quite um, convinced, right, that just because the bulls appear down here that they're going to bring it back up to the point where it's going to break through this resistance level and work its way towards the 50-day moving average. I'm not convinced that that's really what's going to happen. If the bulls were to appear anywhere down here, they might slightly bring it up, but the bears have teared it down significantly, where even if the bulls appear, it's not going to change this stock significantly in an upward trend, and it's going to maintain itself below the 50-day moving average of 1096, meaning that the bears are in control. So 1096, I'd write that down, and that is so important, because if that gets crossed tomorrow, the bulls gain control again, right? And they have some leverage. But for the most part, I just write it down to have it as a point of reference and watch how this reacts tomorrow. But in the more zoomed in of things, the support level down here at 1049 is very, very significant because that's what the bears will have to break through to pull this one further away from the 50-day moving average and continuing this bearish run. Now the bulls, if they want to have a comeback, which is one of the points where they appeared and they tried and the bears tore them down again, is 1074. So 1074 needs to be broken through, used as support, right? And this stock can start to work its way back into bullish territory or work its way back towards the 50-day moving average, use as support to get on the other side, which will turn this chart bullish again. But until then, the bears are in control on this one. We're going to have to see if this steepness continues and if it breaks through the support level. I'd keep a very close eye on this stock tomorrow, and we're gonna definitely have to see how this one plays out. As always, if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share it with your friends and community. Thank you for watching.